Let's have a look at the X Max Starry, a portable convection vaporizer from X-Vape for dry herb and concentrates. Inside the box you'll find one X Max Starry, one 18650 battery, one packing tool, one set of tweezers, one wax cup, one USB cable, and one cleaning brush. And if you order with us, you can also choose to receive a free Zeus bolt grinder made of aircraft-grade aluminum. The first thing you'll want to do with the unit is sterilize it. To do that, press and hold the power button on the side of the unit to turn it on. Now that the unit is on, use the up arrow to get to the highest temperature. Repeat this process 3 more times to complete the sterilization. This will get rid of any of the manufacturing oils which may have gotten inside of the unit as a result of putting it together. To load your unit, first remove the mouthpiece to expose the heating chamber. Load your botanical or wax into the chamber using your Zeus scoop or stainless steel tool, respectively. If you are loading wax, remember to insert the wax cup. Once you have completed this, replace the mouthpiece, press and hold the power button, and you are ready to vaporize. The X Max Starry has precise temperature control, which you can adjust by pressing the up and down buttons on the side of the unit. The lowest temperature is 100 degrees, and this unit goes up to 240 degrees Celsius. Let me tell you about some of the key features of the X Max Starry which make it such a great device. The first is the precise temperature control. You can cook your herb to exactly the temperature you'd like, and the range is wide, which is perfect for flavor profilers and cloud chasers alike. The second is the magnetic mouthpiece. This is a great addition. The magnets are the perfect strength so that the unit does not come apart in your pocket, but still easily separates when it's time to pack your bowl. The third is the removable battery. This unit is also USB rechargeable, but having a removable battery allows you to keep backups for when you take it on the go. All in all, the X Max Starry is good for anyone looking for a portable vaporizer for dry herb and concentrates. I'm Alex for TVape TV. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping!